Hey guys, me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. It's Monday, so cryptos, cryptos first. It's an interesting move, definitely on the opening of. Um, does this 0.5 matter anymore? I don't think it should. There's no context for swing trade whatsoever. And too quick for the 20.5 broke down one barrel, then done. Okay, Bitcoin is the same. It's 0.5, doesn't matter anymore. Bitcoin is the same. They're like identical. He's here now. What is this? Oh, it's getting there. And Solana. Solana is slightly different. So let it be. Okay. Now, our American market. Guys, cryptos are so smooth, makes me want to cry. They're so beautiful without gaps. A little cartoonish to my taste. This is far beyond 0.5. This 0.5 doesn't matter anymore. Qs go higher. Pfizer is still consolidating in 0.5 below sign of strength. They could have been like emotional, so that could have been the level. MRK, Tiro. Yeah, I think it's the level. It was like penetrated so raptured so far below the T2. However, I still think it's level. This thing is broken though, so it doesn't matter. I'm already in position. I'm not gonna add more. Posi, DTM. It's a balance. The wave has contracted either for acceleration or for reversal. There's no exhaustion volume yet. It's a nice balance. It's a nice balance. Absolutely no volume in T1, so on volume T1. You know where I'm trying to go with all this, right? But as much as I want to go there, nothing here indicates. It's a balance on D. So technically, we don't need a closed manipulation signal on our. Look at this liquidity. It's horrible. This is horrible. And absolute unvolumed whatsoever. There's no liquidity on this stock. This is a end of Friday, but it doesn't matter. This thing is unvolumed. Yeah, those are like. This thing is unvolumed. Yeah. Do I need all of this open? Don't need any of this open actually. Probably. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll be rearranging because it's something new. To have cryptos. This thing popped. Oh. Oh, this guy. Still looks cool and all of that. And change direction on a smaller time frame, so it's this for now. 20.5. This is not a balance. Unvolumed. No volume whatsoever. This was a volume, and it's a part of the extremum. So this volume is a part of this T1. So it's a volume T1. There's a little volume here. Then boom. Yeah, what can you do about it? What can I do? And it's already in the support zone, so this 0.5 don't matter. This 0.5 don't matter. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Coin goes lower, looks like potentially this is, if it springs it like this, which I doubt, it's likely it's gonna be one bar rule. Um, Boom. It's daily watch. Yes. Goes higher. Is at the level beyond rotation point. Good for a day trade. It's good for day trade. Look short though, unvolumed up thrust. Initiative takeover. That does take over. T-Mobile is there. Is there right now. Volume is on the reaction bar. Plenty of room to go lower, and monthly volume distribution is good, not so good on daily. 0.5. If not for this volume, the rest would look beautiful. The rest would look beautiful and a little too high. I wish I could fly over the rainbow so high. I wish I could fly over the rainbow so high. Rise up. You guys remember the song? And I'm falling down again. Yeah, this volume is up to no good. That's a good exhaustion volume locally. But then we have this guy. Looks like initiative takeover. So last hour of the week. Last minutes of the week, so. Rise up. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is beyond, even on hour, it's beyond rotation point, so I cannot. There's no space even for a day trade. Oof. Hit 0.5. Hit 0.5. And went down. Durumba, what can you do? What can you do? Continues to go higher. Okay, let's see our gainers, losers. Intel, you know, good job. Closing the position. Target. Moderately. Um, that wouldn't be horrible for non-volume. No, never mind. Never mind. We don't look for trades that are not horrible. We look for good trades. Silver. It's a unilateral day, I'd say. No red, no green. More green. I hate to admit. You know, I'm the freaking perma bear. Like everything to fall. There's so much more energy in a fall than in a climb. Climb is a labor. Falling down is just maybe it's also because like winter sports are so popular back home, like sleigh and having Ponzi's any ice, what do you call it? The ice slope. Uh, Not skiing or snowboarding, but just having this like thing, like you see it and like going down the ice slope. That's how I got my second brain concussion. um, am I looking for trouble? It's counter trend. It's reversed. Now I'm trying to short it. This is too far, of course. Yeah, it needs transition extreme for sure. I'll leave it alone as I should. Let's take a look. It's an easy Monday. Let's take a look at my futures. This thing continues higher. Uh, I mean gold. By this thing, I mean gold. It's a balance, but it's not my business. It's counter trend balance. And that's micro. For whatever sake, I'll continue to do. I have like double futures and everything till I understand the difference or pointlessness of having both in each pair. I have two for gold, I have two for Russell Crowe, I have two for um, Russell Crowe, Russell 2000. Mm, um, and I have two for NASDAQ for Qs. Mini, micro, potato, and they are all like, so like micro were supposed to be more affordable for public, I think. However, um, it looks like they're like the same price. It's a little too high, but it's also the beginning of the day. This is good for a continuation of the trend. Yeah. 5 minutes are merciless though. Continuation of the trend. This 0.5 doesn't make much sense, but it's how it goes. Or it actually, yeah, we can call it this. Doesn't change a lot. It is in 0.5, but there is no level. Same dealio, and it's again, that's the same. It's Dow Jones. Similar vibe, I'd tell. Would you agree? Would you go bet with me? You remember? Touch and go? I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you go? Would you go bet with me? Would you go? Would you go bet with me? Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. And Blink 182 came out maybe the same year, actually, the same summer. Oh no, no. Touch and Go, I was like 10 or 11 grade, and I'm Blue came out, and when I was freshman in college. And blue in Russian means also gay. That's interesting. It doesn't have this reference in like original language of the song, but in Russian for sure. I'm blue, da bu dee da bu dum. Dun, 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 dun. And that's continuation of the trend. Um, Not so much this. It's interesting because I can also trade futures continuously. Just why would I? In terms of I can treat them like crypto and not only trade where the levels of higher time frames are in alignment, but mm, anywhere where there's a setup for day trade, swing trade, whatever trade. It's just like I feel it's gonna be like too much. You know, I mean, all of these futures, I can technically trade them continuous method. I'm just not sure what's the value in such a trading for me. Here comes the sun. I'll have just like thousands of tabs open. I'll just lose my mind slowly, slowly. And it reverses slowly but surely. So I had this epiphany confirmed by Ruben via Hermoso Chavez that I can actually treat these gaps like a standalone bars with added volume. Not in 5 minutes though, I think, more so on hour and day. Yeah, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna like observe all the stocks. It's still okay for continuation of the trend on for day trade. Yeah, makes no sense. The wave contracts beyond rotation point on daily. Makes no sense. funny. This was an entry on natural gas. Yeah, there was an entry. That was a upthrust. Yeah, that was a test. And that was a little cutesy entry here for a quick 2R. High up there, what can you do? Just instant. Pew. And now it didn't work. Well, I mean it worked. It did 2R. And I mean now it reversed. And it's still far from 0.5. Even for born, even for the wave when it gets born, it came back went back 90%. Okay. Wait. What's going on here? Oh yeah. We're looking long here, not short. Okay, that will be it for today. I'll go start my day. Yeah, as I've said, technically I can monitor all the futures for possible day trades. It's just too much. You either day trade continuous method one asset, one instrument, or you do like swings and investment trades on multiple assets. But yeah. Or I lose my mind. Maybe some people can do it, I can't. Or maybe I'll grow into it, never say never. 0 is there. But this level is broken, so shouldn't be touching it anyways. So strength and weakness. Just leave it alone. And this one is a continuation of the trend. heck is this? Yeah. Okay, that seems to be it. You guys trade responsibly on your own, never listen to anyone, no one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like minded people, such as myself. Take care now.